Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to collect emails and automate campaigns, connection Wix to Mailchimp is a great move. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to connect Wix to Mailchimp in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open Wix. That's easy. All we're gonna do is go check if you are fully connected to the internet, look for wix.com, then we're gonna go all the way to Wix, open the website. It will take you to a new other tab that you should basically log in using your email address and password. So now all we're gonna do is tap on this dashboard. After selecting your own website, you will be able to see this setup dashboard. We're gonna go to settings here, or this gear icon, where we are looking for integrations. So for example, we're gonna go and tap integrations here. As you see, marketing integrations, inbox settings. We also have this automations, functions, customers, contacts, whatever you want, loyalty program, real-time, traffic, behavior, marketing, insights, reports. We have multiple options that you can use, as you see. So just go look for integrations here. Okay, so I have inbox settings. For example, we're gonna go to marketing integrations. As you see, we have all of this apps here as .text. As for now, we are looking for Mailchimp. Click connect. After finding it, just tap on connect. We have multiple options, marketing tools from the app market that you can also install. Just look for the own app Mailchimp and install it. Then choose an audience. Select where Wix contacts will be added, then connect the Wix forms, link your contact or newsletter forms to Mailchimp. Map form fields. Match your email, name, and even custom fields. Then you can test the integration by submitting a test form to confirm the syncing is fully working. All you're gonna do now is save and publish. So basically that's the Mailchimp email marketing Poco. Minus 20% for a premium site trick-wide. So that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.